Hi, it's Karen Gilbert from Simply Said with Karen, and today I'd like to share a tip and a new tool with you. This card that I did uses the 3D mosaic embossing folder, and these are a new style of embossing folders that have come out in the new catalog. As some of you are aware, Stampin' Up is no longer dealing with Sizzix and therefore have gone to a new supplier of their dies and their embossing folders. You will notice in the catalog that each embossing folder's name is followed by a 3D. And what that means is those are equivalent to the dynamic embossing folders that we've previously had. Well, there's a few differences, and as a result, we have to do something a little bit different to use them. These down here in the purple are the same as in previous catalogs, where we've used the sandwich of Big Shot platform and two in cutting plates, one on the bottom and one on the top. Because the dynamic folders are of a different size, and I'll just show you that if you can see it. Hopefully you can. This is the new one here, and this is the old style, and you can see hopefully that there's a slight difference in thickness between the two embossing folders. So in order to get these to work in the Big Shot, you can do two things. You can use this new tool that I'm going to show you, or you can build shims to put under your embossing folders to build up the level of the platform. I would suggest starting off with 4 shims of cardstock or the white cardboard that comes with the designer series paper, and just experiment. You might need 4, you may need 5, or you may need 6. However, Stampin' Up has taken the guesswork out. They have introduced a new plate. Now this is the 3D embossing folder plate. You won't find it in the catalog because it came out after the catalog was published and distributed actually to those who wanted a catalog. The number in the catalog, or the number on the demonstrator site, is 149658. Again, that's 149658. It is $13.50 for Canadians, and the size is 8 3/4 by 6 1/8. So if you decide to go with the cardstock to try it out, then I would suggest that you cut the cardstock or the white cardboard that size. Let's just bring my Big Shot in. And I want you to show you how this works. My Big Shot platform, you don't need anything else. You don't need the adapter or anything. I'm going to use the Magnolia embossing folder from the Good Morning Magnolia suite. And I'm just going to stick a piece of cardstock in there. The cardstock that I'm going to use is 5 inches by 5.5 inches, and I'm going to use this embossing folder. Now it's always a good idea to run it through the Big Shot or your embossing die cutting machine with this Stampin' Up logo on the top, and if you line it up, there's a line on the bottom here, and that always helps you to get it centered there so that the bottom fits along that line. Lay it down, and they're suggesting that we line it up with the fold to go through the die cutting machine first. This is beveled edges on this, so put the end that has the curve or the rounded slope through first, and then just roll it along as you would normally do. And here's the embossed image. Isn't that beautiful? I love this suite, the Magnolia, Good Morning Magnolia. So you get quite a deep impression on the cardstock. And of course there's the other side. And you can choose which side you want. Another way to use this is with a white cardstock or Whisper White cardstock. And you can actually go in and use daubers and ink and shade the different areas. Again, the number for this is 149658, and it's the 3D embossing folder plate. I hope you've enjoyed this little tip, and you can always find me at Karen at simplysaidwithkaren.com. I will have all the particulars at the end of this video. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again. Bye now.